Ditch the dialer and boost your sales today. We're diving into how to ace batch calling with Retell AI. First, you'll want to get logged into Retell AI and navigate to the campaign section. This is where the magic begins. Next is setting up a new campaign. Click that Create Campaign button, then tailor your campaign based on what your outreach goals are. This includes selecting your ideal AI persona. They're the ones that are going to be making the calls for you. Now, you're going to upload a CSV file containing your contact list. Make sure you have all the essential contact information and any other data you want the AI to use. Time to craft your call script. Customize the script to guide the conversation. You can personalize it with your uploaded data to create more engaging conversations and optimize the flow of how you want the call to be. Retell AI is also incredibly awesome when it comes to lead qualification. Define your desired lead qualifiers in advance. When the AI makes the calls, it will qualify the answers in real time, meaning more time for you closing deals. Finally, and probably the most exciting part, launching the campaign and letting the AI handle the calls. Retell AI keeps you informed on the key metrics, so you can quickly and simply see the results with Retell AI. Say goodbye to tedious manual dialing and hello to automated success.